All right, I'm super excited to show you today how to do stop motion on your Chromebook. We did it last year in the Media Center using iPads with a special program, but we can do it at home too. We're going to start by going to our dashboard and click on Google Drive. When you get to Drive, you're going to start a new Google slide. Sometimes it might need to load a little bit. Click on it. All right, so when you get your Google slide, the first thing we want to do is clean it up because we want a blank slate to start with. So I'm going to click on the lines. There's two text boxes here. And I'm going to click on the first one and hit backspace. Second one, backspace. Same thing. Get them out of there. Then I'm going to X out this theme here because I'm not going to use it at all. And I just want this to be bigger and cleaner. Now, up here, you are going to name your slide Stop Motion. You can choose one, or you can put Stop Motion Winter Scene, okay? So I have Stop Motion Winter Scene on mine because I already had a Stop Motion one. So our first thing we need to do is, if we're doing a winter scene, is we need to change our background. So we're going to go up to the background tool right here. Click on it, and we're going to choose an image for this one. Now we're going to go to Google Image Search, and you can see that I've already done this. So you put in whatever winter scene you want. Maybe I put a frozen pond in the winter. You could put woods in the winter. You could also type, let's see, winter park in the winter. Make it lots of different types of parks. Ooh, aren't those pretty? Let's see here. How about downtown, our city in the winter? I'm going to put, because not everybody likes the country. Maybe you want a downtown scene. Like this would be kind of a cool one because you don't see a lot of people on the street, or this one right here. All right, so whatever one you choose, you're going to you can two ways. One, double click, and that's the fastest one. It'll upload, or you can do the insert, which I think the camera is blocking that down there. All right, so once it gets to the background, then, oh, I think mine would, so I'll just use this one. Oh, that is not changing for me. There we go. All right, good, done. So I have my winter background scene. Now I got to think about, what do you want to put in your winter scene? Do you want a picture of yourself walking? Do you want to add some animals? Let's maybe start with animals because those will be way easier. So let's do today, I'm going to go to this one right here. So there's a T in a box, that's for text box. And right next is insert image. The nice thing about Google is when you hover over them, the explanation comes up. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to go upload or search the web. I don't want to upload from my computer. I'm going to search the web. So what might we see in the park in the winter? How about a rabbit? Although I'm going to put, well, you know what? I'm just going to keep rabbit. I like this one, how it's standing up like this. So if I click on it, I can choose a whole bunch, or I can just choose one and double click. So it'll come into my site over here. Now, what I would like you to do is we're going to take these pictures and we want to put it into what do you call it? A website that removes those backgrounds, because I don't want all those images there, right? So if I do click on this rabbit, and let's see here, file, do we have download right here? Yes, good. I can go to download, and I'm going to go to JPEG, okay? It's going to download it to my Chromebook. Then you're going to go into Schoology, and you're going to go to the remove background link that I gave you. And it's going to take you here. It was a different one I tried. It did not work. So now when I get to the remove background site, I need to go to this one where it says upload image. And you're going to go to your downloads and you're going to choose that JPEG that you I'm trying to think of which one this is here. Nope. Did I download it, kiddos? There it is. All right, so I want to try to get this one. Let's see if it'll work. Although I see it brought all of that in, we might have to do a workaround. Oh, it kind of worked. Although he's a little bit yellow, but hey, it took everything else out. That's awesome. So I can go ahead and just put download. Okay, now if I go back to my stop motion scene, see how it's blue around the edges? I can hit backspace, get rid of it, and now I can go to picture, insert picture, upload from computer, downloads. And it should have my little, where is he? Stop motion winter. It's not showing me up there. There he is. Okay, that's what happens when you get too many. You have to go through them. And then I can open it. And now it's going to bring my rabbit in there with no crazy background at all. So I'm going to get rid of all this extra. Ah! I did not like how that happened. Guess I have to use my corners to keep it looking normal. All right. So you can continue doing that, looking for more pictures of winter things. How about insert a picture, upload from computer. Oh, no. Sorry, I was going too fast. Insert a picture, search the web, and then you can put in whatever you want there. How about a sled? Is that what they're called? Or what? Yeah, this should be a sled. Oh, look at that picture. That's perfect. So I'm going to put this one in. But notice it's got a white background. I don't want any background on it. So again, I'm going to take this picture. I'm just going to move it over a little bit so I can cover that rabbit. And I'm going to go to File, Download, JPEG. Go back up here to, notice I didn't close out of that tab. Remove background, X out, and I can start again. So now I can upload. See which one this is here. There it is, that one. Open. See if it'll remove it. Oh, yay, that worked out just beautiful. So now I need to download this one again. X out. Now I'm going to leave that tab open and I'm going to go back to my stop motion. It's blue, so I can backspace and get rid of it. Go back to my picture, upload from computer, from the downloads. Not that one. There we go. And there we go. We have a clean picture. Now my sled, maybe I'll put it over here like somebody left it. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. But this one, it doesn't look normal sitting like that. So I can take that circle and I can turn it any way I want to try to give it to look more normal sitting on the edge. All right. So I'm going to give you some time to create your background and add some winter things in there. And that's all you have to do this week. We will go on to the next step next week. All right.